friends. Welcome to knowledgeola.com. So, today I'm going to explain something very important related to IBM Kuram. So, now again, I thought I'm thinking and starting a kind of news series in IBM Kuram. I will try my level best to prepare some kind of tutorial on different topic, and this is my the request from all you people. Please add your topics in my comment box and let me know what in which topic you want me to prepare tutorials. So I will try my level best and prepare those tutorial and post either in YouTube or in my website knowledgeala.com. So today I'm going to navigate this very important website. So this is the IBM official website for IBM Forum documentation. So this is called IBM Knowledge Center. So this IBM Knowledge Center is having a lots of information related to IBM Quorum. So in this website, you will get all kinds of document, whether it is a related to product related document or installation document, or you can say business related, technical or production issues related topics. Some videos are also available in this website. So this is a very important and very useful website, what I would say here. I have followed this website from long time. The day means Quorum acquired and they prepared this website. So I used to follow this website and I gained a lot of knowledge from this website. So this is the main source of my knowledge, I would say here. So whenever I was having any doubts, I used to go through this website, download the tutorials, or you can say PDF or any form of documents from here and read it. So if you start reading these tutorials or maybe you can say guides, in the beginning you will get a little bit difficulty, okay, because there is no picture and it's kind of like statements or sentence only. So sometimes you will feel bored and you won't understand. But when you start reading again and again, maybe couple of time, one or two times, then you will getting started the things what I would yeah, I used to do this way. So first time I just read it, and second time I just read and doing more focus on the topic. So if you see here in my left hand side, there is a level of content and change version of product. So table of content is having all kind of topics where IBM Knowledge Center is providing the document. So document is related to product overview and getting started document, installing document, upgrading document. So installing document, all document related to installation of IBM Forum in your local machine or maybe in server. Upgrading is related to all upgrade documents. So suppose you are going to upgrade your system from 6.0 to 7.0, then there might be some documents available which help start your process. Then business analysis, configuration, sample is having some kind of sample coding related and best practices related document. So developing is related to development effort. Security is related to security. So by name itself, you can understand very easily. So if you see IEC related documents are here, intelligent evidence gathering related document, IBM Kuram social program management on Kubernetes. So this is a very interesting point here. Now SPM IBM Kuram social program management project you can deploy on a Kubernetes using the Docker container. So this is also a new topic and very important topic here, because nowadays most of the people or companies you can say they are planning to deploy their uh, program or product on the cloud. So this is the best things to start right now, because might be in future, maybe couple of years, you will see the market for this particular piece. So if you want to explore more on Kubernetes and related to Kuram SPM, then this is the best place to start. I'm planning to I have already gone through this book one time, but yeah, as long as you don't have system and infrastructure, to do the hands-on, you won't be able to say you are 100% understand the concept. But yeah, it is good to go through and try to understand. And this will be the market maybe after 1 year. So IBM Kuram Program Management Design System, IBM Kuram Universal Access, Appeal is a module in Kuram, IBM Intelligence and Analytics, IBM Kuram Archiving, Management, Outcome Management, Provider Management. So see here, child welfare is also here. See, this is the market now in USA. So maybe after a couple of year, maybe after 1 year, you will see couple of project in child welfare using the Kuram or maybe Salesforce. Okay. So guys, so this is if I'm navigating here, these three sections, four sections, whatever are there, they are having some kind of shortcut. So if you are in hurry and want some kind of quick information, so these are the places. So getting started. So if you click here, any of the topic, you will get getting started concepts. And if you are looking for a new feature released as a part of 7.0.10, then you can click on this. See, Kubernetes are here. So this is a latest development done by IBM Kuram. So there is one more thing here. You just smart navigator. So this is also looks like new and enhanced evidence broker. Yeah. So this is also new things developed by IBM. So they scraped the evidence sharing, the old concept, and they enhanced. They develop revamp the new evidence sharing concept. So this is comes under the enhanced evidence broker. Yeah, if you there are some common tasks updated as a part of 7.0.10. So these are the topics complying with development guidelines. So there are compliance the development guideline. You can go through here. Developing server application, modeling server application. So there are changes here. So these are the common files actually. Every developer should know all these things. What I would say here. So complying with the development guideline, you must know. As long as you are not knowing the best practices, how you are going to perform a best, or I can say you are going to develop a best quality code. So developing server application, that is also one of the important modeling guide. So modeling, obviously, as long as you don't know modeling, then it will impact your performance, or you can say your development effort. Working with Kuram model in relational software architect RSA, and developing client application, deploying Kuram social program management on a operating environment configuration, configuring the application. So these are very important and important topic, I would say. So please go through one by one and try to understand if you really interested in IBM Kuram, and you are planning to build a career in this product. So this is a very good product actually, but yeah, right now its market is not that much good, but yeah, obviously in future it is going to be a good. So troubleshooting and support. So these are the documents related to troubleshooting and support. More information. So if you want to more information, you can go through this uh, these links. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm done with. If you want to search a particular topic here, you can just type. Like if you want to understand the rate table concept, just click on just write the rate table and click on that. You will understand. You will see a thousands of link here wherever rate table is being used, and you can pick see rate table business process. You click here and then you will navigate to a particular document. So suppose I'm going to search like global search. There is a concept in Quorum global search. Let's see what will happen here. See, so there is one global wildcard searching. Yes. So sir editor is also here. So this search is also very good. If you want to search, you can just type the word here and click on a search button. Okay. Yeah, I think I covered most of the things related to this IBM knowledge center. Hope you like this video. So please add your comments and share, subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching these videos.